Sitting here in the valley, looking out, all the things that come to mind as I look around. I see the marks of years of projects and different things that we've done. And in a shady spot, it's over 90 degrees, but it's comfortable. There's a cool breeze coming up the valley. Oh, beautiful summer breeze, really. And the sound in the background is music to my ears too. It's a bulldozer and a track hose working on a project I've been wanting to do for a long time. When I talk about projects, you see this pile of white marble. That's just a small pile of broken pieces from a project from salvaged white marble from a bank building. And this parking lot that we're in here was a project that we built for the Army when they had the incinerator 20 years ago. They had to have a parking lot, and it was a 200-car parking lot right here. And that's when we put that new road in that you're looking at. And if you look way down the valley, our house is down there. And you can't quite see it, but there's other buildings we've put in at the top of the hill. The excavating is going on over on the hill over here, that on the other side of the creek. And what we're doing is we're going to use a lot of that dirt from that hill to fill in and control water runoff and raise some of the land where we want to develop above the floodplain. And there's utilities close to that part of the property over there. We'll have we're cutting a road up to some of the other pieces of land on the top of the hill that we're trying to develop and enjoy and profit from as the years progress. But it's a beautiful sunny afternoon, July 2022. Holy cow, how the years have flown. Been in this valley for a long time. That's the way it goes. When you make your stand sometimes, for me anyway, this was it. This is where I decided to plant myself and anchor myself with my wife of over 30 years now. Hard to believe. But what a beautiful, beautiful place. This is part of living for me, is the enjoyment of all this space. What a luxury.